is about the reaction of metals and non-metals with acids. For that I have taken a test tube. Pour 5 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid into the test tube. 5 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid. Take a piece of magnesium ribbon, it is a magnesium metal, put into the test tube. Just observe it. You can see bubbles of gases coming from the test tube. That is, magnesium metal reacts with hydrochloric acid to produce hydrogen gas, that is the bubbles of gas seen, and also the compound formed is magnesium chloride, that is a salt. So metals react with acids to produce metallic salts, that is magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gas is also evolved. Then warm the solution. When you warm the solution, you can see that the reaction become faster. The reaction take place faster. Bubbles of gas form. Hydrogen gas is evolved. The reaction speed increases when you warm the solution. Then when you bring a burning matchstick at the mouth of the test tube, you can see that it burns with a pop sound indicating the gas produced and formed outside is hydrogen gas. Take 5 ml of dilute HCl. Then take a piece of zinc metal, put into the test tube. Zinc reacts with the hydrochloric acid. In the cold solution, the reaction is slow. We can see the bubbles of gas is coming. Then when you warm the solution, when you warm the solution, the reaction speed increases. You can see the bubbles of gas is formed faster. That is, zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid to produce zinc chloride, and the gas produced is hydrogen gas, which burns with a pop sound when you bring a burning matchstick at the mouth of the test tube. So we can say that the metals react with acids to produce metallic salts plus hydrogen gas is evolved. Take 5 ml of dilute HCl. Generally metals react with acids, but we are going to test with copper. Put a piece of copper tunings into the dilute HCl and observe the test tube. Can you see any reaction? There is no reaction. No reaction. Then warm the solution. Warm the solution. When you heat the solution also, we cannot observe any changes. That means copper has no reaction with acids. Copper do not react with either hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid. Reaction of non-metals with acids. Take 5 ml of dilute hydrochloric acids. I am going to take charcoal powder. Take a pinch of charcoal powder and put into the test tube. Can you see any reaction? No reaction take place. That means non-metals generally do not have reaction with acids. Non-metals do not react with either hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid. Reaction with bases. Take a test tube containing freshly prepared sodium hydroxide solution. Add a piece of aluminium foil using a spatula. We can see bubbles of gas formed in the test tube. Then bring a burning matchstick near the mouth of the test tube. The evolving gas burns with a pop sound. We conclude that metals react with bases to produce hydrogen gas.